41 years, and we have paid a bonus check every single month, either on the 15th or before the 15th. Which other company can tell you that?
चैलेंजेस आएंगे, कुछ अच्छा काम करने जाओगे तो दो लोग आपके अगेंस्ट होंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। आज जो अगेंस्ट है ना, मैनेजर बन जाओ, पीछे पीछे भागते हुए आएंगे।
This business of 4cc, जब तक आप 4cc को स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट नहीं धार ले,
अगर हमारे पास है तो क्यों नहीं हम उनको ये वाली ताकत दिखाएं ताकि हम दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ताकत बन जाएं।
पिता का नाम होता है, उसकी पहचान सरनेम जोड़ दिया जाता है। शादी के बाद उसकी पहचान उसके पति की पहचान होती है, खुद की कोई पहचान नहीं होती। लेकिन आज जो मेरी पहचान है वो इस फॉरएवर की वजह से है।
फॉरएवर लिविंग प्रोडक्ट्स एक ऐसी कंपनी है, किसी भी आम इंसान को एक खास इंसान की पदवी दे सकती है, वैल्यू दे सकती है, और ना कि उसे खास केवल उसके परिवार में बनाती है, बल्कि सोसाइटी में भी उसे एक बहुत स्पेशल रिकॉग्निशन ऑफर करती है।
Change your thinking and you can change your life. This is so true in everybody's life. Sometimes we're just stuck with our own, old way of thinking, and our life doesn't just progress. And here I am. This is Naseema from Chennai. I'm a senior manager, and I'm very, very excited to be sharing some of the, success tips that I have used to grow my business. A little bit about myself. I was an IT professional and I was working with the top MNC here, getting a very, very decent salary. I was very happy with the job that I was doing. But sooner or later, after a couple of years, there was no drive. I didn't, think that that was what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And I was like, hunting for some other entrepreneur opportunities. And that's when I wanted to start my own exports. I was very naive. I didn't know anything about that industry. And I invested a lot of money, a lot of my time into it. And eventually my business collapsed for so many reasons, malpractices in the industry. And I was in huge debt, like I couldn't manage. And I was totally devastated. That is when, luckily, my father introduced Forever to me. And ever since then, it's been a roller coaster ride and there was no looking back. And today what I have achieved is, total freedom, great time with my family, with my daughter, and, earning from about 14 to 15 countries. It's an amazing journey. And I believe each one of you who's listening to this can achieve much more than what I have done, because it is such a fair and genuine opportunity. It's a very, very simple business. Anybody can do this. And that's me with Nawaz ma'am, that's me and my daughter. So today this is very important. I think as a woman, a lot of women here will agree that today people are compromising on their, role as a mother or, as a wife, or, they're not able to spend that time with their family when they have ventured into a business or a job. But with Forever, you can have it all. It's such an amazing business, and more so for women. So I have also achieved the car plan. I have also achieved the Eagle Manager program, and I'm a certified Millionaire Club member. It is all because the company's plan is so simple, so genuine, so ethical. If you just fit yourself into the system, anybody can achieve this. And I'm so thankful to our a country head. He's been very, very approachable, and the entire management is so friendly, and all of us can go to great heights with this amazing platform. Today, the lifestyle that Forever has given me, the trips that we do, the international trips that we take, everything is just totally amazing. And I'm just showing you some of the pics from my EMR 19 a trip to Pattaya. There is a small story to this. Actually, I had qualified for the US trip, but our visas was rejected because I come from an IT background. My husband also comes from the IT background. I wanted to take my daughter with me, and they thought, the embassy people thought, we'll just stay there in the US forever. So they rejected our visas. But if it was for any other company, what would they do? If not for Forever, anyone else will just say, you didn't get your visas. You qualified, but you didn't get your visas, so it's not a problem. But that's not what Forever did. For all those, for whom the visas were cancelled, they immediately arranged for another Pattaya trip, which was as great as the US trip, and they made sure we enjoyed all the great trainings, all the wonderful facilities, the great, hotel stay, and everything. So it was just a replica of the US trip, and it was just fascinating. This is like, our breakfast table with all the other eagles from 170 countries. For me and my daughter, it was like, a mini world tour. And this is something that, only Forever can offer, because Forever's business is expanded in 170 countries, and you as a distributor can scale it up to as many countries as you want. And it was so amazing, the trainings that we received there from uh, people from across the world, the big people there. It was so wonderful, and it was definitely very, very empowering. Look at the lifestyle that Forever can give you. When I joined Forever, all this was just a dream. But today, when I follow the system, I'm able to tell you that you can definitely achieve it. And this is our trip to the Coral Island, and it was such a beautiful destination there. And my only wish for all of you is you qualify for the Eagle Managers Retreat and every single incentive that the company offers. And this is a very interesting picture taken with some of our distributors in Africa. And I just asked them what are the success tips that they would like to give us for India. And they just showed this. You can see what they're showing, right? That's the 4CC that they mean. So anywhere in the world, that's the main secret mantra or success formula of Forever, the 4CC. So please do stick on to all your 4CCs. Your 1+3 is so important, and the entire business revolves around the 1+3 business model. And it was very, very interesting to get tips from so many distributors, how they build it, what are the do's and don'ts, and things that they implement. And we also had the opportunity to interact with different people. Like this person was from Japan, and she was an Eagle manager from Japan. She was sharing a lot of tips on how they do it in Japan, and she said they consume about close to half a liter or 1 liter per day. In India, how much we consume, but Japan consumes a lot of our aloe, and that's why they are leading. And this is like distributors from Iran, and we had a great time talking to all these distributors. And look at this, look at what Forever can do to each one of us. An ordinary person can definitely live an extraordinary lifestyle using this amazing opportunity. And our job is to show that to people and transform lives around us. And this is again a very special moment for me. I have been listening to so many of her trainings, and when I met her in person, it was a great experience. This is Natalie Healy from UK. She's UK's #1 distributor, and there's a very interesting story that she shared about how her mother had approached her to do the Forever business for about 13-14 years, and she said no. So in case you're a distributor who's worried about listening to no's, this is what I wanted to tell you. Listening to no's is a part of the game. There is no way you can become successful in Forever without listening to some no's. That is there. That is going to be there. No matter, even if you qualify as a diamond manager tomorrow, you will still hear some no's, but be okay with it. Eventually, you will find the person who says yes to you. And she said it didn't, the opportunity didn't, actually hit her, like unless and until she had a twin twin babies. And that's when, the finance got a little tight and she was looking for a real good opportunity. And then she took up Forever, and the rest is history. So anybody can, transform the game. And this is again Catherine Byrie, one of the very, very top distributors. In fact, she's a double diamond. And I was so blessed to be, hearing some of her success tips as well. And she went diamond in like 18 months. Guys, can you imagine that? 18 months she became her, she created 25 manager lines under her, and she became a diamond. And another year it took for her to become a double diamond, which means another 25 managers. So that is the power of the opportunity. It's all in your thinking. It's all in your thoughts. It's all your perception. So, there are people in our company who just sign up as a distributor and probably stay there as a new distributor for the rest of their life. Or there are some people who have, totally changed the game by becoming diamonds in 18 to 20 months. So that's the opportunity. It's fair for everybody. And you have to be clear about what you want to achieve with this platform. And this is one of my most adorable pics. This is with the president, Mr. Greg Mohan, his wife. And I just couldn't believe that people can be so humble. And he's a multi-billionaire. We know him. And look at that humility. And, they are very, very kind. And Forever is the most generous platform. It is the most best platform because it always does things in favor of the distributors. It always makes sure that the distributors get the most out of the business. So such a wonderful company to work with, such amazing management we are blessed with. And today I'm very, very excited to be sharing about 10 success tips. You can, take it as success tips. These tips will work for you no matter what level you are in, whether you are at a just new joinee or a manager or beyond. These are tips that anybody can adapt to and scale up and accelerate your business to great heights. So the first one that I believe should be, your mindset matters. Everything is a mind game here, right? When you believe, you can do something, you're going to do it. When you believe you can't do something, you're not going to do it. And you can't have a positive life with a negative mind. I definitely believe in that. And, just look at it. Now you can analyze what's your mindset about the products, about the industry, about the company. It's very, very important. Because once you have a positive approach towards all this, you can have a totally different game out of the Forever opportunity. See, for me personally, when I started the business, I had no clue about the products or how networking works, but I was very, very against it. Like I have been, hearing, I wasn't working with any other networking company before, but I've always heard very, very bad remarks about the industry and about, the other networking companies and, how they try to push very mediocre products through their networking model. So I wasn't very, very sure about what I was getting into. But then I had to actually come out of that negative mindset and I worked on it. I traveled extensively. I traveled to, some of the offices like Bombay, Delhi, and Hyderabad and Bangalore. All these visits actually changed my perception. It helped me to connect with some leaders there. It helped me to, understand how ethical and genuine this business is. And as a result of attending a lot of trainings, that's when I actually started looking at the business for what it was. And there was no looking back after that. So my tip to you would be, please work on your mindset first. I still have distributors, I come across distributors who want to do it, who are attending trainings, but then somewhere deep inside their mind, they are stuck with that negativity. They think, it won't work for them and so many other things. So please work on your mindset wherever you are, whatever level you are, you can always grow. You can grow like to any extent that you want. So please understand more about the products, the industry, the company, and then you can go to any height. In fact, there's a very big misconception that network marketing companies are a big scam. But then in reality, forever what this company can do, right? It is such a fair opportunity, and it is the company which gives you the most, the maximum payouts for its distributors, whether it is the chairman's bonus checks, whether it is the incentives, other incentives. Everything is so generous here. And even the network marketing industry, in total, it is the industry which it has created more millionaires than any other industry. So it is such a wonderful opportunity, and our company is the best in that. We all know that. And look at the products. I'm sure you would have all used some of the products and seen amazing results. That's exactly where your belief in the company and the business begins. So that's one mindset. And the second thing is believing in yourself. This is extremely important. Why? Why is this so important? Because doubt kills more people than failure ever will. I know so many people who have this doubt in them. They are like, they wonder whether it will work for them. They think, oh, she can talk, oh, he can talk, he's educated, she's educated, and all these random thoughts that keep running in their minds. But in reality, anybody can be successful in forever. That is the truth. Like, you don't have to worry about your age, you don't have to worry about your background, any age. Like, the only criteria here is you must be above 18, right? That's the only thing the company is looking for. Other than that, there is no age criteria. I'm sure you've seen managers who have qualified for great things even at 70, 80 in this company. I personally met a distributor from Japan, and she was just rocking. I'm sure she must be in her 75 or 80s, and she's just rocking, and she's a triple diamond. So such things can happen in this company. And age is not a restriction. Your background doesn't matter. I mean, whether you go to a job, whether you're from a business background, it doesn't really matter. For me, I had failed miserably in my own startup, but still I'm able to be successful in forever. So anything is possible here. And even your education or nothing matters here. I have so many people, homemakers who are doing it so well here. I have students who are working so well in forever. I have cab drivers who are making good money in forever. So it is all in, it comes from the belief that you have in yourself. You have to just work on that, and believe in you and make things happen, because nobody else is going to make it happen for you. You have to sit with your upline and discuss how you can grow this business, and eventually you will start getting that belief. Initially, maybe a couple of times you will have that self doubt, but the game here is to break that and grow. And that is what is really important. And I would like to share a very small story which really inspired me when I heard about this. You all have, you must have seen the bumblebee, right? It's called the bumblebee. And it is like a bee which is like, it has a very disproportionate body. The body is like a little huge and fat, but it has very tiny wings. So there was a big research done by some of the scientists, because according to the laws of the aerodynamics, they found that the bumblebee had very tiny wings to actually fly with that kind of a body. The body was too huge and the wings were too small to support it. So these scientists actually sat and did a lot of analysis, and they did some calculations and all that, and eventually they gave a report, and the end of the report said bumblebees cannot fly. That is what they said, because according to the laws it didn't match. But you know what? Luckily or fortunately, the bumblebee did not know about this, and it keeps flying anyway. So that is what belief is all about. No matter what others say, no matter what it is, you believe in yourself and you will definitely be able to accomplish whatever you want to accomplish. That is what you need to have in you. So the next important thing here is, the tip number 3 would be a product of the products. This is again very important. For me personally, my belief in the business started after using the products. I had a very chronic backache issue, which I was, dealing with. But then after using our aloe vera gel and some of the products, the back pain just vanished. I didn't know how. But it was very, very surprising. And when I started referring the products to some of my family members and the friends around me, everybody started giving positive results. You know the quality of the products now, but back then I had no clue about how this was possible. That is what actually gave me a firm belief that I wanted to go and do this for the rest of my life, because these are products which are like unparalleled. There is no competition. I don't know any other brand in this entire world which can, come close to Forever. This is like the best products we have in the entire globe, whether it is skincare. Skincare is such a big, market. People are willing to invest any amount into skincare, and you have personal care products. We have a wide range of products for weight loss. Fitness is again a big thing. People are hunting for the right products for fitness and health and wellness. You have such life changing products in that segment as well, and you have so many products. And what fascinates me about Forever is every single product is like mind blowing. It's not just the honey which works. It's not just the tooth gel which is amazing. It is not just your soap or shampoo. Every single product is the best in its class. And I think that's our biggest advantage, because end of the day, it is the products that we'll have to move, right? Your CCs or the business happens with the product sales, right? Your volume, the turnover that you do around the globe, everything is measured with the amount of products that you move. So that is very crucial. And with Forever, I'm sure you have the best of every segment. And for me, one tip that I would tell you is no one is interested in your products. People are interested in solving their problems. Isn't that true? Just think about it. Whether you're talking to a client, whether you're talking to somebody to take up the distributorship for, whoever it is, nobody's actually bothered about what you have to do, right? They're just bothered about how they can solve their problems with what we offer. That's what it is. So it's very, very important to become a problem solver. That is the most important thing. And share your real story with confidence and conviction. Because unless you use the products, you don't have your own hands on real stories to share with, it's not going to work. So please become a big consumer of the products first. The more you consume, the more your confidence is, and the easier it is for you to talk to another person and let them know that these products are super result oriented. And what more, we have a 30-day money back guarantee, right? So it is a win-win in every way possible. So all you have to do is just use a lot of the products. And I would suggest every time you place an order, try to add one or two new products. I have no count of the number of products that I'm using from Forever. Every single product that I use from morning to night is only from Forever. So that has given me the confidence to share a lot of stories when I'm giving a tooth gel to the person, when I'm giving aloe vera gel to a person. I can give them hundreds of references of how it helped somebody with solving their problem, and that's very, very important. Here we're not about marketing or sales talks. It's about genuine simple stories. That's why they say facts tell, stories sell. So always have your little story attached. I can also give you another quick reference here. I have a distributor, and actually when I introduced them to Forever, I had given them the tooth gel, and I had told them about how it helped me sometime with my toothache. And this was just one random story that I could connect, and I shared it with them. And later on, they had to go to the US. And after about 6 months, when they came back, they said our tooth gel saved them about $1,000. I was very, very, curious. I said, how? And eventually, my distributor's husband, he had a very, very chronic toothache. And in the US, dental charges, it's like they'll cost a bomb. And they were asking for about $1,000. And my client, I mean, the distributor, she was very, very eager to use the toothpaste for the toothache. And she remembered me sharing about it, and she immediately applied our tooth gel. And within, a few minutes, it actually, the pain actually subsided, and he slept well. And the next day morning, it was almost okay. And they never had to go to the dentist. So these kind of things, only when you use the product hands-on will you be able to share these kind of stories to your clients. So please be a product of the products, and that's a very, very important thing I would like to share. And the next thing would be, the fourth point is stop selling and start helping. This is very important. See, forever as a company, we all must be so proud of the ethics we follow. And you know that Rex has designed this entire business on one simple, formula, or one simple line which says, help others achieve what they want, and you will automatically achieve what you want. Such a brilliant system this is, right? So successful brands of the future care about people and not their brand. So Forever is a typical example. It is the best that you can quote for, because Forever always believes in, helping people out, whether it is the business plan or the products that they offer. It's always for the people. It is never, just for the money or anything like that. It is always, it is a very, very people-friendly business model and product range. So stop finding customers for your products. Find products for your customers. Sometimes, I know some cases where people buy a lot of products and then they try to push it. In so many companies, other companies, we hear that, right? They do bulk buying, they do, unethical practices like that. But here in Forever, it is not about that. You just have to solve your consumer's problem, and then the rest, what will happen. They will go share the story to their set of circle and bring you more clients. That is always how it works. So please stop selling. Don't push it hard on anybody. Always, educate them about how every product will help them, and encourage them to become members, encourage them to start placing orders online. Now that we have the amazing app, My Forever app is also launched. It's become so much easier. So please do, use the app. Please do use the other facilities, all the tools that Forever has given us, and help your, clients to place orders and, get access to the products. And once they see the results, definitely they're going to take the business forward. And the fifth set of tips that I wanted to give you was set realistic goals. See, setting goals is the first step for success. Without a goal, there's no progress. A goal is a dream with a deadline, right? If you don't have a timeline attached to it, then it's just going to be a wish. It's going to be a dream for the rest of your life. Only when you attach a time frame to it, you will start working towards it. You will start achieving that goal within that time period. And Forever is so beautifully designed. I mean, the system is already in place. You just have to plug in yourself, whether it is completing your 2cc, whether it is becoming a supervisor with 25 cc's, whether it is assistant manager with 75, whether it is a manager with 120 or 150 cc, whatever it is, they have a beautiful goal given to you within the stipulated time. All you have to do is just do whatever the company is asking you to do, and you will be successful. I have been so fortunate, because I have some very good mentors who told me what and how I should achieve. So it's very, very important to set goals and smash them. Again, set new goals and smash them. That's all you have to do here. And be willing to think big, be willing to dream big, and set goals for yourself and for your family. Always remember that Forever is not a business that you do just for yourself. You're going to leave this legacy to your spouse and children in the future. It is an inheritable or a willable business. So every brick that you use to build your empire is very, very important, because you're going to leave that legacy for your family. I'm sure you don't want it to be bad or ugly, right? You want to make sure that you're leaving behind the best. So make sure that your goals are big, and dare to dream big. And only then will you actually, open your mind and look at what is possible. If your dreams don't scare you, definitely they're not big enough. So set big dreams, achieve them. And it is very interesting. There's nothing more satisfying than you see yourself achieving that goal. So that is the greatest thing. Before you do it, it all seems impossible. Trust me, I know that. We all know that before doing something, it all seems so impossible. When you were in your kindergarten, Even writing the A, B, C should have been so difficult, right? You all remember those days where 1, 2, 3 was so difficult. The alphabets were so difficult. But then eventually you learned it. That's how, you learned and you grew. So always try to learn and grow and achieve your goals on time. And the sixth thing that I wanted to tell you was have a very clear plan. Many people fail because they don't have a plan, that they can work with. If you're failing to plan, you are planning to fail. This is a very, very important tip. Whatever you do, whatever your target is, when you have a clear plan, things become so much easier. Let me give you a small example. Assume you want to take a, say, vacation from wherever, say from Chennai to Delhi. Wherever it is, you will have to have a planning, right? You will have to know who and all are going. You will have to know the dates when you're traveling. You will have to know, by the medium of travel, like whether you're taking a train or a bus or whatever it is, right? You need to be very clear whether it's a flight, whatever it is, that has to come in place. The planning is so important. And you have to know the dates, date of arrival, date of return, what you have to pack. When you plan things, it becomes so much easier, right? When you have to plan so much for a vacation, don't you think a career or this is a life changer? Don't you think you need a great plan in place? So this is where you can take the help of your sponsor, your mentor, whoever it is. Sit with them and work out a very clear plan, and have it break it down into smaller plans, maybe weekly targets, monthly targets, and then it becomes much more easier for you. So if your plan doesn't work, never ever change the goal. Change the plan again and then rework on it. Okay. So never change the goal, and having a clear plan always helps. So the next one would be follow your intuition. I think, the biggest mistake or the biggest prison that people are living in today is the fear of what other people will think about them. Never let others' opinions affect you. This is very important, especially with our business. I know so many people who sign up and then they get very jittery about what others will think, what their friends will say, about the industry. See, for me, when I started, I was into exports, as I told you before. Before that, I was into IT. And when I started a networking business as a career, there were a lot of opinions from people. People said I was doing the wrong thing. This is not what they imagined for me, and this will not work, and they had so many opinions on how I could fail miserably. But then, if I had given room for all their opinions, then today I'm not going to be where I am. So, end of the day, just remember this: other people's opinions are not going to pay our bills, right? We have to work our way to success. So, what you think about yourself is far, far more important than what others will think of you. So please don't give room for others' opinions to ruin your career and your life. If you have any negativity, just talk to your mentors and get them cleared, and then work with confidence. Follow your intuition, follow your gut feeling. That's more important. So that is very, very important, because I sometimes get reasons from some of the distributors, like, why aren't you progressing, what happened? No, my wife is not allowing me to do the business. No, my parents are saying this will not work for me. But then you will have that gut feeling, right? Deep down, when you sit quietly and think for yourself, you will know whether it will work or not work for you. And just go with your heart. Just don't confuse yourself with everybody else's opinion, because you know what's best for you. You know if it will work or not work for you. You signed that form for a reason, right? When you listened to the presentation, when you saw the plan, when you heard about the company, when you saw the incentives, you saw the success stories, somewhere you knew that it will work for you. Now, just because people who don't know much about our company, the products and the plan, if they're going to give their opinions and make it affect your career, imagine who's going to lose. So please, please, please follow your intuition and become successful. And the seventh step would be quitting. Because definitely winners never quit and quitters never win. Quitting is not even an option. But I am sure everybody in your career, somewhere you'll feel like quitting. That is possible. That is possible. I'm not saying no. Everybody, I have felt it. Everybody feels it. At some point, things get, very, very overwhelming, and you'll be like, oh my God, will it work for me? Should I quit? But then quitting is not even an option. When you feel like quitting, always remember why you started. Always remember why you started. You had those big dreams. You had, dreamt for all the incentives, the lifestyle, and everything. And now, because of, few situations which are temporary, don't allow that to ruin your dreams. So please never quit. And during tough times like that, that's exactly when you will have to talk to your mentor and understand how you can change that situation, how you can change that thought process. So that is very important. And I have, I was very, very inspired by this story of Rex, that they shared in one of the success summits. So years back, sometime during the Christmas time, Rex had got a call saying that the entire aloe fields were devastated because of bad climate. The entire aloe fields, the aloe plants got frozen, and they couldn't do anything about it. And Rex had to go to the field immediately, and he saw that everything was, collapsed. They couldn't use the aloe, and the entire field was like washed out. Imagine what that must have meant for him. After investing so much of money, time, effort, people into it, his dream must have been shattered, right? I don't know, if it was any ordinary person, definitely they would have shut down all their dreams and then let it go. But Rex, for being the person that he is, he never quit. He pursued on his dream. He actually, invested on another big, big property that could actually, have no climatic, effects on the plantations. And they actually made sure that the manufacturing again started, and the products were back in farm, and then the business actually started again. Imagine if Rex had quit that day. Today, probably you and me are not going to be talking like this, right? So never ever quit, never ever, whatever it is, there is a way out. Believe in that, and you will find your solution. Every problem will have its solution. There is no, way you won't have it. So you just have to find it and be positive about it. So, you have some of the best leaders, best management that can support you in every way. So just take help. And the ninth tip that I want to tell you all is be committed, not attached. Success in forever depends on how committed you are, how much of ownership you're willing to take. Now, I, tell this to my team always. If you do the business like a hobby, you're going to be, getting the income like a hobby. If you're doing it like a professional business, then you're going to be earning as much as you want. So some people are just attached and they don't take that ownership. They think, eventually whose business is it? It's not your upline's business. It's not your downline's business. It's nobody's business. It's just your business. So we have to be very, very, very committed to it if you have to make it work. But more importantly, you have to know the difference between commitment and attachment. Attachment is attending the meetings, trying to do the demos, and trying to learn, and all that is happening. You are your presence is felt everywhere, but then no progress. Because you're simply attached. Commitment is doing something. The way you said you will become a supervisor, you said you'll become a manager, whatever it is, you will have to still commit yourself and do it, even if you are out of the mood when you said it. Like, long back in a meeting you would have committed on something, but then later if you're going to forget on it, it's not going to work. So always be committed on your goals. And commitment is an act, it's not a word, right? It just comes from your actions, how you treat the business, how many demos you give, how many business presentations you're giving, how many new people you're meeting. Your commitment for 1+3, that's a big commitment, but it is the only commitment that you will have to have to spread your business around the world. It's a great plan. So just stick stick onto it and work your way out of this business model. And the 10th tip would be learn to fail successfully. I repeat, learn to fail successfully. If you learn from your defeat, you haven't really lost. This is very important. See, whoever it is, there's no single person who has walked the face of this planet without failing. Whatever they are trying to do, initially they will fail. There's no way out of it. You can't just become an expert on day one. That's not going to happen. You try, you fail, you try, you fail, you try, you fail, but then eventually you will succeed. And success comes when you have made all the mistakes that can possibly made in a narrow field, in a very narrow field. That is what is success. It's not that some of the greatest leaders here in Forever, I'm sure all of them had failed initially, and eventually they found the way how to give the right presentation, how to actually sign up a new prospect, how to coach them, and how to achieve all the incentives. Everything comes from starting and working your way upwards. So it is okay to fail. uh, Most of the people, some of the people who quit, this is what they say. They have this fear of rejection. Oh, what if they say no? What if I fail? It is okay. This one quality, I think somehow we will have to inculcate in us, that failing or listening to some no's is okay. Then you will succeed. Because when you have made all the possible mistakes, you will definitely find success. That is the law of the universe. And when it comes to failure, I would like to share a small story here. This is from Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our very own ex-president. So he had in one of the interviews told that when they were working on a rocket launch, a satellite launch, it was a huge project, and he was a mission director. And they had worked on this satellite for like 10 years with thousands and thousands of people. And on the day of the launch, they all assembled around that launch pad, and the screen started showing 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And then when it was just about to launch in a minute, the system was throwing an error saying it can't launch. There was an error message, and they all panicked. And he was wondering what was going wrong. And then eventually they detected that the fuel was there was a leakage. And but being the project director, he had to take a call, and he decided to launch it eventually, because they thought there was sufficient fuel. So they just launched it. And what actually happened was, it had 4 stages of launching. And then the first stage, it cleared. The second stage, it misfired, and the satellite just went spinning. And instead of launching the satellite in the orbit, they launched it in the Bay of Bengal. Imagine what kind of a disaster that must have been. And the entire team felt so miserable. The press was behind them. But the biggest lesson that we'll have to take from here is, they all assembled themselves. They told the press that give us 1 year time and we will make it work. And they worked harder than before, and within the 1 year they fixed everything, and they launched it super successfully in 1980. So this is like, people are launching satellites in the orbit. What are we even afraid of, right? It is just, amazing products given to you. You just have to share it with all the people around you. Amazing business plan given to you. Share it with the people around you, and you will succeed. So never be afraid to fail. Learn to fail successfully. So this is what I wanted to share with you all today. And this year 2020, definitely it has it has hit most of us in a very hard way. The entire world has struggled with this pandemic, but it's time to actually gather all the strength back. And 2021 is approaching. Let us all join our hands together and hit it harder than before. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. And it's this time of the year where amazing things can happen. We're just about to get into a brand new year. I'm sure 2021 will be a great year for all of you. That's my wish. All the very best, and have a very joyous, prosperous, successful, healthy new year. And we, as Forever India, it is the best year for us to become number one and prove what Forever India can do. So all the very best to all of you. Thank you so much for the patient hearing, and keep rocking. Stay blessed. Thank you so much.